Okay, now in the last question we found out about the difference of two squares. We found out that we just use a formula. When you've got one number, take away another number squared. You apply the formula, you just get x minus 2y times x plus 2y. So now we're going to have a look at applying that to a slightly trickier question. So here's our question. 4a squared b squared minus 49c squared d squared. And I want to completely factorize that. So we'll go back to our pad and we'll put that in there. As before, we need to write this as the difference of two squares. So we need to rewrite this as a square number, and we have to rewrite this as a something squared as well. Okay, so let's have a look at that. Okay, so now as you can see, we have this rewritten. We have it written as the difference of two things squared. Here we have this 2ab, which is all squared, and on the other side we have 7cd, all squared. Now, you should realize that square root of 49 gives you 7, square root of c squared gives you the c, square root of d squared gives you this d here as well. So 7 squared gives you the 49, c squared is the c squared, d squared is that d squared there. Similarly with the one on the other side. So now what we have to do is we just apply the formula, and our formula is the first number, 2ab, take away the second number, 7cd, multiplied by the first number, 2ab, plus the second number, 7cd. So I've written that out there again, so that should be slightly clearer for you there. It's 2ab minus 7cd multiplied by 2ab plus 7cd. So we had the difference of two squares, something squared, take away something squared, is the first number, take away the second number, times the first number plus the second number. You'll put that answer in here and you'll get your score.